My name is Peter. Please, I'm just taking this chance to ask you guys to just go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you like the content that I'm trying to post out here, please just subscribe, man. Support your boy. Get me to 1,000 subscribers, man. I just need to feel that love. Just subscribe to my channel and enjoy my lesson. And if you think there is some things that I need to improve on, please let me know. Okay, enjoy the lesson. Click on the like button. And just leave a comment. Great, thanks. So the first thing that you need to do is create a new folder. And the folder name is supposed to be any name that you want, but for this I'm calling it Modern Shop. Okay, then after that we're gonna be using Notepad to create our HTML. So go ahead and open up Notepad and just click on File, then go to New, and then name the folder as sneaker.html. So we need to create two folders. So that's the first folder, and then the next folder you need to create CSS and call this sneaker.css. Then let's go straight to HTML and write some code. So we're gonna start with a document type, which is HTML. Then after that we're gonna go to HTML. You open and then you close the HTML. Inside there, let's create a heading actually, then close the heading. Then inside the heading, let's create a title and name the title as sneakers shop. Then close the title. Then after that, let's go ahead and create the body. Open the body and also close the body. Now in there, I want us to create the first heading, which is heading 1, and we're gonna say welcome to modern sneaker shop. Then close the heading 1. So we have a first basic HTML code. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'll first save this file, then go to save as. Then I'm gonna say sneakers.html, and I'm gonna save it on the folder that I created, which was modern shop. So I'm gonna say sneakers.html. Then I'm gonna open the folder, and then I'm gonna run. Just click on it and then you will see that welcome to modern shop. So let's go ahead and continue writing the code. So I'm gonna create a div class, and so this div class, I'm gonna call it as shoes, because I'm selling shoes. Okay, then down there I'm gonna write a heading 2, which I'm gonna say available sneaker shoes, or I can just let me say available sneakers. Then after that, go ahead and write a div class, and this will be the items. Okay, just the class is supposed to be the item. You can just write item. Then the image, because we need to import an image. I'm going to show you how to do that actually, and how you can create an image actually, or you can import an image. So this is the code. J1 PNG is the name of the image, and then the sneaker one. So for you to get a picture inside your HTML code, the first thing that you need to do is you need to go to I have some pictures already. I have these pictures over here, but I'm gonna show you how I came up with those pictures. So just go and type sneakers online and look for a picture of a sneaker. Download this one. No, this is actually a web file, so I'm not gonna download that. This picture over here. So save, and you see this is a PNG. So I'm gonna save it in the folder that I created, modern, and make sure that all the pictures are supposed to be saved in the same folder. Go to background remover, remove the background of the picture, and then edit the name. I'm gonna write J10. Make sure that your name is easy to remember, so that you don't have to write a lot when you're importing it inside your HTML. So you can see I have my HTML folder over there. So yeah, so download a picture, take the background out, go to background remover, and then save your picture over here in the same folder as the rest of the shoes. So that's why I have this J1 over there. The first picture is J1, and this is PNG, and that's the picture that I'm having inside my HTML, as you can see over there. Then after that, I'm gonna say H3, and here H3, that's the heading 3. Then I'm gonna say this, I'm gonna give this name to the sneaker. This is a high top sneaker, so that's the name of the sneaker. Then after that, the paragraph, I'm gonna write a short description about the sneaker. I'm gonna steal some writings and then paste over here. Yeah, so I'm also gonna put some breaks because the sentence is so long, so I'm gonna just insert a break over there so you can break the sentence. Okay, I'm also gonna add another break too. Let's first also define the price of the shoe. That is price is $7. Open the paragraph and also close the paragraph. Okay, so yeah, so this is a div that is used to define only one shoe, which is the high top sneaker. Okay, so I'm also gonna put a break so that I can break the sentences into two. So I want you to copy and create 10 types of shoes. Okay, and then make sure you edit the picture, and also you edit some information about the description, and also high top, give it a name. Okay, so just copy the div and paste and then edit 10 times. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. There you go. For me, I had all these codes already, so I just copy and pasted 10 times. You see we have sneaker 1, sneaker 2, sneaker 3, sneaker 4, and also you see the number of the name of the image, J7, from our picture. Okay, .png. Yeah, so and then make sure you close it with a div, because up here we started with a div and then the class, and then close it with a div. Then these 10 items are supposed to appear there. So what I'm gonna do is that I'll go ahead and start my sneaker web page, and you can see, so I have this HTML, no CSS involved. So I'm gonna go ahead and use some CSS so that we can be able to align everything correctly. So as I told you, write some CSS code. So okay, I think I had already created a CSS file, but I'm gonna go ahead and also create a new one. So file, new, and then I'm gonna say sneakers.css. Okay, then here we're gonna write some CSS code and then connect it to HTML. But before we write, let's go back to HTML. Up here where we have the title, down there I want us to create a link that will connect our CSS to our HTML, you know. So I'm gonna say link, which is style sheet. Okay, style sheet, close. Then we also have the type, which is text, cap CSS, and then now the name of our CSS, which is sneaker.css. This name over here, that's the name that we need to write here. So sneaker.css. Good. Then that means our HTML is linked to our code. Okay, Great. Then let's go ahead and I mean that means our CSS is linked to our HTML. So let's go ahead and define the shoes. Shoes is up here. This is the class div shoes. Then we need to center align everything at the center. So we're gonna say maximum width, which is gonna be 800 pixels. Then we have the margin, which is gonna be an auto. Then we also have padding, which is gonna be like 20 pixels. So you can go ahead and change this to suit whatever you want. Save the file, actually click on save, and then go ahead and open, and you'll see that everything has been aligned at the center. Okay, there you go, everything is aligned at the center. So let's go ahead and continue writing our code. The next step we're gonna do is we're gonna define the items that we have, and this is a class called item. All the items that fall under items, that's what we're gonna define. So we have display. The display is gonna be inline block, and then the width, okay, it's gonna be 200 pixel. Then the border is gonna be 1 pixel solid, and then it's gonna be black. That's a white color, hash CSS. Okay, then the border radius, which is gonna be 5 pixels, and also we have the padding, which is gonna be 10 pixel. And then we also have the margin, which is margin right, which is gonna be 20 pixels. And then the last one we have margin bottom, which is gonna be 200 pixels. Okay, then click on save, and then let's go ahead and open to see what has happened. Yeah, you can see the margin is coming in slowly. We have the margins over there. So let's go ahead and also define the image, item image. Okay, because you remember we have images, the pictures, the sneakers. So you're gonna say maximum width is 100%. Then the maximum width of the image. Then we have the height, which is auto, and then we have the margin bottom, which is 20 pixels. Okay, and then there you go, you see everything is getting inside the margin. The shoes are inside the margin, as you can see. So yeah, things are looking much better. So let's go ahead and also do the .item image, and the next thing we're gonna say is maximum width, which is 100%, and also we're gonna say height, which is auto. Okay, and then we're gonna do what we call item, and then h3, heading 3, where we're gonna say margin is top, which is 110 pixels, margin bottom, which is 5 pixels, and then down here we're gonna say item.item, and then we're gonna define paragraph, actually not h1, paragraph. Then the paragraph is gonna be margin bottom, which is 5 pixels, and also yeah, I think that's all. Then save. You see the display looks fine, as you can see. That's nice. So we need to center the heading, make it at the center. So what I'm gonna do is that I will say h1, and then text align center. Great. So that one will align the heading to the center. And also want to change the color, and I want to say the color is text. No, I want to say color, and then the color will be, let's say, red. So let's type red. Yeah, then save, and then change. You see the color has changed. Also the available sneaker, I want it to be at the center aligned. So what I'm gonna do is that the available sneaker, I'm gonna come down here and say h2, then text align and I'm gonna say center, and also the color is gonna be blue. Great. So save, and then go back, open, and then you see we have the available color, which is sneaker. Let's change the background color of the picture. So what I'm gonna do is that I will come down here and say body. Okay, then I'm gonna say the background color, I want it to be I'm not really quite sure, but powder blue, I think. I like powder blue color, but I'm not sure if it's gonna take effect. Let me see. Oh, not yet. Blue, let me see. Oh, yeah, blue, but I need powder blue. So I need to look for powder blue. What I'm gonna do, I'll go straight to Google and type color grade, but I can't see here color grade. Let me say online color grading. Okay. Let's go back again and say color selection. Then this one, I think online, color selection online. Then we have color picker from W3. Then over here I'm gonna type powder blue. No, we don't have a color like that. Let me connect the page. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, no space. So I'm gonna take that code and then I'm gonna paste it over here, and I'm gonna save, and then yeah, powder blue. This is much better. Great, that's nice. And as you can see, we don't have a picture here. So what I'm gonna do is that at J7 we don't have a picture. We don't have a picture called J7. So instead of me going and downloading another picture, I'm gonna copy one of the pictures. I'm gonna copy J10 picture and paste, and then I'm gonna name it as J7. So just copy, paste, then rename this as J7. Then go back again to my code, then run, and then you see the picture is there. We have two pictures over there. Yeah, look at that nice, well designed web page, modern sneaker shop.